Okay, next, property of an element are listed. Okay, its melting point is 3414. Okay, its melting point is 3414. Can you see that it's very high? Okay, next, what else? Some of its compounds are catalysts. Okay, catalysts, I know that this is definitely in your transition metal because only transition metal are commonly used as catalysts. Example, your vanadium 5 oxide, okay, your iron. Okay, it has variable. This confirms that it must be a transition. So the answer is donkey. Okay, 29. Petrol burns in car to produce waste gas, okay, and leave the car exhaust. Okay, so what are the gas produced? At first, right, what you produce, you produce carbon monoxide. At the same time, you produce nitrogen monoxide. Yeah? Okay, so these are all the harmful gases produced. Okay, carbon dioxide reacts with nitrogen. No, it's not. Yeah. So in catalytic converter, it's basically carbon monoxide reacts with nitrogen oxide, and you form carbon dioxide and nitrogen gas here. So 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. Okay, Ching Chong, done. Okay, nitrogen reacts with oxygen in car engine. Yes, nitrogen does react, right? Because it is under high temperature, at the same time under high pressure. Okay, nitrogen reacts with oxygen in the catalytic converter. Okay, no, it does not react with oxygen. As what I mentioned, it reacts with carbon monoxide here. Okay, the equation is here. Petrol combined with, okay, nitrogen is quite unreactive. So it won't react with petrol. Yeah? By the way, petrol is your hydrocarbon. Okay, hydrocarbon only burns with oxygen. Yeah? So the answer is boy. Okay, so if you want, you can take a screenshot. Give me a second. Okay, brass is made up. Oh, sorry, I missed out your question. Where was it? My brass was here, right? Copper and zinc, yeah, is used to make instrument, as in musical instrument. Okay, so if you guys are in any choir, tuba, trumpet, what else? Clarinet, all this. Can you please teach more about catalytic converter? Okay, catalytic converter is basically your car exhaust. Okay, inside your catalytic converter, what do you have? You have this catalyst platinum. Okay, I always tell my student, let's say if you want to be rich, right? Just steal any car exhaust, go and sell it. Inside got platinum. Okay, so platinum, and inside, have you watched Floyd Logan? No, haven't. Okay, so inside there's platinum. So platinum will catalyze this reaction. Basically, carbon monoxide converted into carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide converted to nitrogen gas. Okay, you just need to remember this equation. By the way, your paper 4 is over, so it's okay if you don't remember it because they won't ask you to write it anyway. Doesn't platinum increases engine power? Okay, I'm not I mean like my car can't do it lah. I don't add platinum inside my car to increase the power. I'm not so sure. It might be true, but I'm not so sure. Yeah. Increased engine power usually is nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide. No, you guys.
Fast and Furious one, the blue
Fast and
color
Furious.
one.
Yeah. Nitrous oxide. If you guys play any on, like last time, I used to play this Osphalt. Okay, this.
Yeah, that's the one. Asphalt 8. Asphalt 8.
Inside you can you can press the, what is it called? Nitrous. It's basically nitrous oxide. It's used to increase the car engine power.